sashimi.
Okay. Oh.
Sashimi.
Fish on, Kuyang!
Sabihin mo kung kukunin ko
Mamaya, bababa pa ako.
Okay.
Thanks, boat ramp. First time here with my cousin, Kuya Austin from Italy. Ayan, fishing kami.
Hello.
Ayan na. Ayos. Sige. Okay, magbaboat kami ng aking pinsan from Italy, si Kuya Austin. First times dito magboat sa Australia. Ayos. Makahuli sana kami ng malaki. Ayos. Alright. Andito kami sa Thanks Boat Ramp, Middle Harbor. Touch you up.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay.
Sarap ng init.
Oh, sayang.
Lamig kanina tapos init. Ayan na, ayan. Ito, insan. Ang dami oh. Ayan, ito dami. Okay.
Dami na naman.
Dami na naman. Nagbabalikan.
Ito malaki ito. Hindi pwedeng pampain.
Malaki yan ha? Ha?
Hindi pwedeng pampain.
Oo.
O, ayun na naman. Oops. Umuutot pa. Pag nag-umpisa sila sunod-sunod na.
Malabo yung kuha ko insan kanina ko ng mga nahulog na. Yaman na. Mamaya.
Kapit natin ulit.
Hindi, yaman na. Mamaya. Baka pumasok na ko. Hindi naman.
Hindi, ako na bahala.
Okay. Parang sa ano siya nadali? Sa pasang. Hindi naman yung naano eh. Oh. Sa ano nadali? Sa ulo. Sumabit.
Ikaw, gusto mo?
Hindi, sige. Ikaw lang. Baka makawala pa sa akin.
Fish on! Fish!
Ah? Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ang laki yan.
Laki!
Wow!
Kingfish!
Okay.
Ay,
Baka na ano ka?
Hindi.
Okay.
Ayos, naka-kingfish kami. Ayan oh. Kingfish. Ha? Ayos. Ay, oh. Picture ano? Minsan.
Video?
Video. Ayos, kingfish. So, ayan o. Kaya lang 62 centimeters lang. 65 ang legal.
Kulang pa ng
so,
3 centimeters.
Wala.
Bye-bye!
See ya! Ayos!
Okay!
Ayos! Laki! Yellowtail. Ayan! Ano yan, Insan? Ha? Video ka, ha?
Malaki.
Ay, ano yan?
Nakawala yata.
Hindi!
Ha? Mukhang malaki.
Nakawala ba?
Meron.
Huwag mong papo-pour up. Brim!
Urata.
Brim! Oh, brim tawag.
Urata.
Ayos! 25, at least 25. Ayos. 25 centimeters.
Susukatin natin.
Oo. Ito yung isa. Ito. Sarap yan. Sinigang.
Urata. Ito urata sana. Okay. Kuha.
25 centimeters.
25.
From nose to tail.
Oo, pwede. Kasya.
Ayos, 27. Ayos.
Okay.
Good one.
Ano ilalagay mo?
Hindi ganun kalaki. Hindi ganun siguro. Hindi ganun kalaki. Baka brim.
Okay.
Snapper.
Snapper, yung kanina. Ano yan, pakakawala mo rin yan. Snapper.
30 centimeters.
So we can keep that one. Ano hindi?
No.
Ah?
Should be 30 centimeters. I think this is only probably 20 or 25 centimeters.
Mukhang masasarap yung isda na yun.
Itong isa sa mga the best na isda.
My God.
Snapper.
Ay.
Undersize. Pakapurin na naman ito. Ay.
Purata sa amin na masarap yung isda yan.
With you, I don't ever feel play with me like cats and a street. You don't understand the pain. You don't ever wanna give me away. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you. And it's just you
Insan
can
yung pan.
get you with the evil.
Yung net natin.
Got me coming back for more, even when I'm
Andiyan sa likod
dolls full of
yung net.
tears. Pierce my heart straight through.
Ay, bonito.
Got issues in my head, like you in my bed, but you
Hindi,
keep me
yung
on
may
red. Everything is like a test.
sa ilalim.
Text, don't come off desperate.
Dalisan, baka makawala. Bigla ako lalagay dyan, ilagay mo na sa ilalim.
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me?
Ayos!
I'm the one who's always sorry in conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you. It's
Bonito!
when I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish wish I wasn't struck by you.
Ayan, pag ganyan.
Oh!
When I first saw you, I knew
Sige, sige, okay.
I'm with you, I feel so useless. I feel tired.
Ayos!
Okay!
Ayos! Ano yan? Bonito! Pakita mo yung buntot. Ah, bonito. Pumapalag pa, oh.
Makawala.
Nakahuli si Insan Austin ng bonito. Laki! What's that?
Okay!
Ah, sashimi.
Okay, oh!
Sashimi.
Meron na kaming susi. Okay, oh, naku!
Ang laki. Ah, tingnan.
Ang lakas pumalag eh.
Ang laki.
Okay!
Ayos, ilagay na dito yan. Ay. Ayos, ano yan? Bonito. Pakita mo yung buntot.
Laki yan.
Bonito, pumapalag pa, oh. Nakahuli si Insan Austin ng bonito. Laki. What's that? Ah, sashimi.
Okay, oh!
Sashimi.
Meron na kaming susi. Ang lakas pumalag, ano?
Ako, napabayaan natin itong
Ay, oo nga.
undersized to, 25.